Every time you walk into the room, got me feeling crazy. Shock my heart, boom, boom. Any other boy would stare, but me, I look away, cause you're making me scared. Trying not to breathe, 1, 2, 3.
Beach holiday with family. My family and I decided to go on a vacation to the beach in the summer. We leave very early in the morning with full enthusiasm. Upon arriving at the beach, I was immediately greeted by the roar of the waves and the cool sea breeze. My friend, I immediately ran to the edge of the beach and swam. In the afternoon, we enjoyed the view at the time. This holiday to the beach was an unforgettable experience for me.